Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. This Grayscale thing seems to be a little worse, well, a lot worse than we thought, and Grayscale could actually be sold off. Now, it doesn't mean they're going to be liquidated, it just means they're going to be sold off because DCG owns both Grayscale and Genesis. But there's like an undisclosed promissory note that was hidden from us potential investors. And then that's why DCG is trying to raise $1 billion, but it's getting rebuffed, which means people aren't willing to give it $1 billion. It owes $1.1 billion to Genesis via that promissory note. I do think this $1.1 billion hole does stem from several months ago because of the 3AC thing, because I think DCG loaned like $1 billion to 3AC. 3AC obviously went bankrupt, and now DCG is kind of like out of luck. Now, I don't think they can actually use the Grayscale funds to siphon customer Grayscale funds to kind of meet their obligation to Genesis, because I don't think that's just how the structure works. But they might have to sell the Grayscale fund altogether, or at least all their shares of the Grayscale fund pretty much all together in order to make up some of this loss. I think Grayscale makes like $200 million a year in revenue. So that is like the crown jewel of their portfolio, and DCG probably doesn't want to sell that, but they may not have any choice. Now, who might they sell it to? BlackRock, Fidelity, these are all possible buyers. But just to let you guys know, there is a reason for that negative 43% discount on Grayscale right now, because it is very, very up in the air and very, very unsure. As for Bitcoin price, maybe they have some Bitcoin assets that they actually need to sell as well. So this is kind of a FUBAR, a complete kind of crap show, as you will. So basically, DCG also deleted their about page after people started posting about a certain person on their board of advisors. So basically, essentially, they deleted some information. There was some information that was trying to be hid from investors. They deleted their about page. But the thing is, they are the parent of Grayscale. They do own shares, and they could actually sell Grayscale for quite a good chunk. But there's a lot of uncertainty on GBTC right now. I don't think it's going to get liquidated. Basically, someone's I spoke with Grayscale IR, and what I was told is if DCG and Grayscale both went bankrupt, the GBTC trust, which is set up as a separate legal entity, would live with a new sponsor. So the thing is, Grayscale and DCG could actually go bankrupt, but the trust itself, which is what people invested in, is separate from those two, and they would actually have a new sponsor. I mean, I can't confirm that because it's someone that's a reporter on, obviously Twitter is not all that reliable. But the thing is, GBTC is an SEC reporting company. You can check all the stuff yourself by reviewing their periodic reports available on the SEC's website. So it does look like that is the case right now. So as far as I've researched, on various stuff on Twitter, there isn't really that much about it out there on news yet, so it's hard to confirm. I've just been reading some of the the documentation on the tweet stuff. It does look like Grayscale, the GBTC fund is separate, so DCG and Grayscale can both go bankrupt, but the GBTC trust is an SEC reporting company, and it's separate, so it will continue to live on, but the uncertainty surrounding the situation will definitely bring it down. Like I said, if you are brave, this could be a good chance to buy GBTC at a very, very big discount, getting bigger, but I think I would shy away from that because I really don't know exactly what's going on. But this could also be significant because Grayscale itself could actually have physical Bitcoin, not just GBTC shares, and if they do, obviously they can sell those, liquidate those, affect the price down. Also, like I said, we don't really know who's going to buy or sponsor it. My guess is going to be BlackRock or Fidelity, but we really, really don't know. So there's a lot of uncertainty kind of swirling around. Hopefully this can actually recover pretty fast. Otherwise, the cascading effects could bring us down even further. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.